Alright guys, Crazy Wife is at it again. She's gonna be repairing the dam. I don't know why she's throwing stuff out. That was fine.
Clearing out the freaking leaves.
She got some brand new rubber boots yesterday from the farm store. So she should be good to go.
Shovel's way the heck over there.
Well, pick up them big rocks first. Scoot them to where it's not, where it's dripping right there.
Wouldn't be wonderful my gloves are freaking waterproof. What's big around here? We just got another freaking problem.
Yeah, but are your feet dry?
My hands aren't.
Well, you're fine. Put that big one that's right there.
Oh, nope. That one was a do not move rock.
Then don't move it. Put that big one there. Put that big one right there in there.
This one?
Yeah.
Might be another do not move.
No, it's probably a good one.
Where?
Right into there. Not right there. Now take that other one right there and put that in the middle.
That one I can't get out. Still flowing. The ones are already hit.
That one. Them two right there. Right there where I'm, yep, where your feeder is.
Who am I supposed to fucking put up?
Well, in.
I want these leaves to go downstream.
Well, they might eventually. See, here she goes, making bad decisions. She's had like 6 beers already, and now she's in the creek again. I wish I would have took a video of her taking a nap on the deck last night. There, now start shoveling some of that littler rocks into there. Not from there. Why are you worried about them leaves? Leave them alone. They'll just get caught up somewhere else. Careful, as you dig, you're going to make yourself a sinkhole. Yeah, we'll just conclude this video, and we'll start another one as soon as she gets this little bit done. All right.